everyone. I'm Talia Fisher of Tel Aviv University Law School. The workshop I'm coordinating is entitled Contemporary Issues of Evidence Law and Criminal Trials. Recent years have witnessed a reshaping of the landscape of criminal trials and the underlying evidentiary institutions, prompting new jurisprudential questions and requiring scholars, policymakers, and practitioners to remain vigilant and adaptable in tackling emerging challenges. These challenges include an ever-increasing reliance on plea bargains, the emergence of digital evidence, as well as the opening horizons of algorithmic decision-making. The workshop aims to convene leading experts in the fields of evidence law, criminal procedure, and criminal law, hailing from diverse backgrounds to address these and other pertinent topics. I'd like to introduce the distinguished speakers of the workshop, starting with Professor Carol Steiker of Harvard Law School. Professor Steiker is a member of the American Academy of Arts and Sciences and the Henry J. Friendly Professor of Law at Harvard Law School. She specializes in the broad field of criminal justice, where her work ranges from substantive criminal law to criminal procedure to institutional design, with a special focus on capital punishment. She's co-author with her brother Jordan Steiker of Courting Death, the Supreme Court and Capital Punishment, published in 2016 by Harvard University Press. Another speaker will be Professor Vincent Chow of Toronto Law School. Professor Chow earned his JD at Harvard Law School. He researches criminal law and criminal justice with a particular interest in the philosophical examination of its doctrine and institution. He is the author of the book Criminal Law in the Age of the Administrative State, published by Oxford University Press in 2018. Our third speaker will be Dr. Liat Levanon of King's College London. Dr. Levanon is a reader in evidence law and philosophy at the Dixon Poon School of Law. Her research interests include evidence law theory, statistical evidence, and sentencing procedures. She's the author of the book Evidence, Respect, and Truth, Knowledge in Justice and Legal Trials, published in 2022 by Bloomsbury Publishing. Another speaker will be Professor Vlana Eisenberg, an associate professor and Dean's Distinguished Scholar at Boston College School of Law. Dr. Eisenberg's research focuses on the law and practice of criminal punishment. Professor Eisenberg's work on the political economy of criminal law draws on original interviews with institutional stakeholders, including prosecutors, police, and corrections leaders, to investigate how the incentives of these stakeholders affect legal policy and reform. Dr. Eisenberg is a graduate of Stanford Law School and an elected member of the American Law Institute. The last of our distinguished speakers is Professor Yoav Sapir of Tel Aviv University Law School. Professor Sapir is the academic director of the Taubenschlag Institute of Criminal Law at Tel Aviv University and the former chief public defender of the State of Israel. He's a graduate of Harvard Law School, where he was a Bayes Fellow and taught a workshop on critical approaches to criminal law.